For today's pocket style, I am going to teach you how to sew a simple welt style slip pocket like this. Now this is an absolute beginner project. It is the same process as making a zipper pocket, except you are not using the zipper tip. Okay, so it is a simple style pocket with no hardware whatsoever. All right, so just like we do when we want to make a zipper pocket, it is the same process, the same entire process. All right, so if you have not watched that video, I am going to have it linked in the comment section so that you can watch that video and you know how to figure out the pocket lining. All right, so I am going to mark 3 lines spaced 1/4 inch apart, and first line is going to be 1 inch from one short end, and I am going to mark in 1 inch from both sides because the width of our pocket lining is 2 inches bigger than our finished pocket. Right, the same entire process again as making a zipper pocket. All right, so what we are doing right now is that we are just trying to create a pocket window. Alright, that is what we are trying to do right now. So I have connected the 3 lines and we have a box. Now what I am doing now is marking the point or the tip where I am going to be cutting into. So I am simply drawing out my cut lines as it is right now. Now after I am done with that, I am going to fold my pocket lining widthwise so that I can have the middle marked, and I am also going to do the same to the panel that I want to place my pocket on. Now I'm going to place them right sides touching, and we have to figure out where our pocket lining is going to sit. So you have to follow the instructions of the pattern you're working on or your desired spot. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain is that the spot where the finished pocket is going to sit, whether it is 1/2 inch from the top, if it is 1 inch from the top, you are going to figure that out, and you're going to center the pocket lining on the panel you're working on according to your desired measurements or what is in the pattern. After I'm done with that, I am going to sew on the pocket window. Now after sewing on the pocket window, I am going to cut out the spots using the lines that I have marked as my guidelines. Okay, so on the middle line to the tip of our V shape, and I'm going to cut into the corners. You want to cut as close as you possibly can into the corners without snipping your seam, and I'm going to flip everything to the wrong side. Okay, we are going to press. Now if you're making a zipper pocket at this point, you would add your zipper tape, but instead I am just going to top stitch all around our pocket window, and I'm going to flip it to the back, and I'm going to bring the end of my pocket lining to meet the top of my pocket lining, and I am going to take it to my sewing machine, and I am going to sew all around. Okay, so we are sewing from one end across the top and down the other end. Okay, and that is that for that. All right, now we want to trim our seam allowance to half the size, especially the top seam allowance. Try this pocket in your next project. It is simple, easy, beginner friendly, good to go. And here is the tutorial for the zipper pocket.